Welcome to Plutus IS. Today we'll cover one of the topic of our GS paper 1 Zoology Optional, that is your Nereis and Heteronereis. The question has been asked very frequently. Even in the section 1 the question has been asked only Heteronereis, and sometimes even the 2016 or 2017 the question has been asked from the difference in the Nereis and Heteronereis, right? So first of all we'll talk about simply the general characteristic. We'll not write today. We'll just cover the difference in the Nereis and the Heteronereis. Okay, so what is Nereis and what is Heteronereis? What is Nereis and what is Hetero? Simple. Nereis and Heteronereis are the similar form, are the only similar single organism. It is not the different organism, but there are different in stages. Okay. So what is the different in stages? Suppose that if we simply just draw the figure of that Nereis or Heteronereis, okay. So what we'll see the first is the first portion, first segment, the body is divided because these are the annelids, right? These are the annelid both. So they have a true segmentation. Of course, whenever the question will ask, you can simply write. Because they are true. Because annelids from the annelid, the start of the annelid organism, है ना, the true segmentation found, है ना. So what is the if we simply we draw the diagram, you can see the differences. Okay, you can see the differences. What is the differences? It is a true segmentation. So they have like this. We will not draw diagram of both sides. We will simply each segment bears a pair of pseudopoda or seta. You can simply write a seta. Okay. The first segment is known as the first segment. Here is the eyes. No, the first segment is known as peristomium. Peristomium, and the upper surface and the peristomium is the first segment, but this is your prostomium. Okay. These are your true segment. The body is divided into head, trunk. Body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Head, trunk and tail. The last segment is known as your pygidium. The seta are found in every segment except at your last segment. Suppose that this is your structure of Nereis. This is in the normal form. When we talk about the Heteronereis, so what happened in the Heteronereis stage? The just half portion, है the lower half portion become enlarged, and there are the large segment. Okay, so if we see this side of the segment, what we'll see the morphological difference is the seta or the parapodias, of the upper segment is generally smaller, while the lower segment of the parapodia is they are generally larger. Okay, so this is your morphological difference. Okay, so when the question, of course, you guys already know ki what the same. Otherwise, the structure will be almost same. Okay, the eyes become enlarged. First of all, what is the differences? Okay, so first, this half portion is known as your autoc region. The upper half portion is the known as autoc region, while the lower half portion is known as epitoke region. Epitoke region. So first difference is your morphology. First difference is your morphology, है ना? The morphological features are clearly different. While in that Heteronereis, there is a what the conversion of Nereis to Heteronereis is a sexual stage. Is a sexual development or the sexual stage. Heteronereis is your sexual stage. Nereis is your normal stage. So for the first difference is morphology. The second difference is your habitat. These are the burrow. Nereis is your generally live in the burrowing form, while Heteronereis is a free swimming, free swimming, generally in aquatic habitat, generally in aquatic habitat, right? Third region is your normal form. It's your normal form, right? While this is your sexual form. While this is your sexual form, okay. The fourth difference is the seta. the theta is equally, or the podas are equally in all segment, equally in all segment, while in the heteronereis they are unequal. While in a heteronereis they are unequal. Okay, and the fifth segment, in the fifth difference is elementary canal, and the fifth difference is your elementary canal. In the nereis part it is simple, है ना, while in the heteronereis part it become elementary canal. Nereis में आपकी क्या है, this is your simple, this is your simple, while in the heteronereis it is become constrict, it is become constrict due to the development of constrict, due to development of gonads, due to development of, there are the some differences in your nereis and heteronereis region. Of course I know you guys must knowing this all things, but there are some four differences. If the question will ask the differences, you have to write in the point form. Okay, thank you.